I rented a truck to move my daughter to college. I bought insurance from the dealer. We had a wreck on the way back, and my wife and I were injured. Will that insurance cover our trip to the ER, or is it just for damage to the truck?
Well, the question's a little confusing when he says he rented a car and then he got the insurance from the dealer. I'm assuming he means the rental car facility. Just a standard, I guess the standard practice is, in fact, a couple of weeks ago, I had to rent a vehicle because my car was in the shop, and my insurance coverage, in fact, I called my agent prior to renting the car and I said, do I have to get this additional coverage? Just wanted to make sure, because you always hear conflicting opinions as to whether you do. Some people say if you're doing it for personal use, you do not. If you're doing it for business use, you do. And my agent said, you know, in your case, you do not have to get the additional coverage. It's always good to get any additional coverage if you want to, but in most cases, it's $20 or $30 a day to get that additional coverage. But in this situation, number one, your own insurance should cover any injuries that you have. If you have the additional coverage, you know, it may just be liability and not for injuries or things of that nature. But if you have your own personal insurance, especially uninsured motorist coverage, it doesn't matter. That insurance is going to follow you, and the injuries should be taken care of. But you know, it's kind of a confusing topic. People are always arguing about whether you need the coverage or not, and it's, you know, when in doubt, get it.
Right.
But a lot of times you don't need it.